Okay, so that was a little noise it makes sometime after printing, about 2 or 3 minutes in this case, and it sounds to me like a head cleaning cycle. I could be wrong, but when I leave the printer off for a certain amount of time, it goes and does this thing. So the question is this really a head cleaning cycle or some other thing? But again, this occurred. I just printed something here, 4x6, you can see, about 2 minutes ago. Prior to that, my last print was about 12 hours ago. So this printer supposedly can go 60 hours without a head cleaning cycle. So the question is, this thing that I just heard, was that a cleaning cycle or not?